Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing of the Nokia 5.3 smartphone. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so the Nokia 5.3 we purchased on Amazon has just arrived, and the packaging is pretty similar to the packaging we saw on previous Nokia phones, such as the Nokia 1.3, which we unboxed and did a series of videos on recently. We're almost done with the review, so if you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube, you will most likely be interested in that sort of video. Right then, so it's a full slide-out case, and as you can see on the packaging it has all the specs and a very bold statement, 2 years of Android upgrades. I really hope Nokia do manage to keep that promise, because I've been a bit disappointed with by Nokia in previous smartphones where that hasn't really been kept. But this smartphone is part of the Android One program, so we'll see how it does. Right then, packaging is very simple. There's a fold here which contains, wow, a 3.5mm audio headset. So let's have a look at that. It's a standard headset, 3.5mm or Courage Port headset. It has earbuds, not probably the most ergonomical ones, but earbuds nonetheless. It also has a charger. In this case the charger is a 5V 2A charger, so it's a 10W charger. And it's USB Type A to, in this case, USB Type C on the cable. So A to C, and this is a nice travel charger for the UK because the UK plug opens up, so it's quite compact for travelling, something we do like here at the Tech Travel Geeks. So that's the basic setup of accessories. Now, there is a SIM ejector tool here in the cardboard. Open that up. Nothing new there, a basic SIM ejector tool. And very light on the documentation, quick getting started guide and a product safety guide. So that's it. Now let's have a look at the device itself. So as you can see, it has a dedicated Google Assistant button, similar to what we saw on the Nokia 1.3, the Nokia 2.2, 4.2 and so on. So this is definitely a thing from Nokia. And on the other side, lots of packaging. I'll just take that off and we can start walking through how the hardware feels and looks. If you're interested in the software, we'll be doing another video tomorrow, going through the setup and giving you some first impressions of the software. This video is going to focus on the hardware itself, how it looks and feels, before we actually turn the device on. So on the side we can see there is a power button which has a little white stripe on it, so it's easy to see, though there's no tactile difference between the volume rocker and the power button there. And on the left hand side, as I said, there's a dedicated Google Assistant button and a SIM tray hole there. On the back there is the fingerprint scanner and the quad camera array organized in a little round loop. So in this case, in terms of cameras, you have a 13 megapixel main camera, you have a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 2 megapixel dedicated macro camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So 4 cameras there with an LED flash in the middle. Now, reassuringly, there is a fingerprint scanner there. It's on the back, so that's a good bit of news there. Something we do like, and we don't think all face recognition is worthwhile at the moment. But more importantly, in this price range, in the sub $200 or under £150 price range, this is reasonable. So this is the black Nokia 5.3, also known as the charcoal Nokia 5.3. Let's turn on the screen just very quickly and see what it looks like, because I'm told there is a nice teardrop notch at the top there. Now this is a nice screen, nice and bright at first impression. This is a 720 by 1600 pixel screen. It is pretty good viewing angles, and we're going to stop at that for this video. As I said, we'll do a separate video with the Nokia ringtone. We'll do a separate video going over the software setup and the overall experience. But for now, that's a quick overview of the Nokia 5.3 and just a quick look at the ports. Type-C port at the bottom, speaker, microphone, 3.5mm Courage audio jack and microphone, and that's pretty much it, straightforward. So, quick overview of the Nokia 5.3. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And for now, goodbye from us.